Listen, people, you should be right here at Daytime Live. Listen, Judith's the one you're blushing because we keep messing with Judith about how she can. There are a lot of goodies in the studio. Judith is one of them. She's running.
Welcome back to Daytime Live. Yes. And if you don't know, by now, we at Daytime Live love to have our ears to the street and find out who is on the verge.
You know, she said that like, on the verge.
Now, one artist that caught our eye is the beautiful Joby J. Welcome.
Thank you.
Coming
That's
through.
your real hair? That's your... All right,
Not all
cool.
of it, but you know.
You say yes, girl. Yes, it is. And what? Moving on. Okay, tell us.
Your name.
Joby J.
What does it mean? Why that name?
Okay, well, Joby J is really like a nickname from my actual name. My full name is Joby.
Joby.
Yeah,
That's
Joby.
nice too.
Yeah,
What does
my
that
parents
mean?
fancy. Really, it has a lot of meanings, you know, because like it's split. But Joby was always my nickname.
Right.
And I was just like, okay, Joby nice, you know, but it need local
Zhuzh.
support. Somebody
Yeah.
add the J upon it. I'm like, all right,
Right.
Joby J.
A little
you know.
support.
Yeah.
All right, I hear you. I hear Joby J. It's nice.
Joby J.
So here's the thing. You look really eclectic, really
Thank you.
beautiful.
Thank you.
How would you describe
I like
your
that. Eclectic.
eclectic? Yes,
Yeah.
I'm hearing and everything. I'm here for it. How would you describe your music?
Well, I'll describe my music as like, it's like funky, but it's also like jazzy.
Yes.
You know, so it's like a mixture of like, yeah, upbeat and nice vibe, but also very, you know, singy and like jazzy instruments, all of that kind of vibe.
Singing.
Yeah.
How did you get into music?
Well, I was always singing, always know myself as a singer. Been singing, I bust all kind of notes and everything from I know myself. And it was just really a matter of me just making the decision to say, okay, I'm ready to do this now and just really take it on full time.
Were you one of those girls that when everybody's singing and they really can't hit the note, you all went,
And I come with a little shrill.
and then something did, yeah?
Sometimes.
All right, you know what? Speaking about singing, tell us a song that you're going to perform for us today.
Today I'm going to be performing for you guys Big Girl Thing, and that's my debut single that I released last month. Yeah, so it's Big Girl Thing. Big Girl Thing.
All right, Joby J, take it away.
see. True colors will show. I may not forget you are. If I do, I waste me. Hey. I feel be selective with my space and my energy.
Hey.
JobyJay, I am man. We up on the flag.
it.
I am man, babe.
I love
Thank you.
it. Let me ask you a quick question. Who would you say you're influenced by musically? Who's your musical influence? Yeah.
I would definitely have to say Lauryn Hill, Erykah Badu,
Yes.
Janine,
Yeah. Okay.
Nina Simone.
All right.
Yeah. Those
You're
are
not good
definitely my
company
major.
though. I
Yeah.
hear it, you know. I hear the vibe in it.
Like if
Like
persons
it.
want to find out more about you, social media, what's the social media
Well,
handles?
you can find me at JobyJay Music on everything.
How do you
YouTube,
pronounce the JobyJay?
Facebook.
How you spell? Sorry.
JobyJay Music.
JOBY,
JAY Music.
one word.
Straight.
Music.
Right there.
MUSIC.
To the point, yes.
Okay, good.
And your song is out now.
Yes, it's out now. You can get it on all major platforms.
Lovely.
Yes.
Lovely. Thank you so much for joining us on the show.
Thank you, thank
And I love
you.
that song, Big Girl
Yeah.
Things. I like it. I like
Big
it.
girl things, yeah.
Here for it, here for it.
Yeah.
All right, thank you guys for tuning in as well. We will be back on Friday with much, much more.
Buzz, chat, vibe, and mix.
Hey!
I got the four of them.
Hey! Hey! I love it. Friday.